Hello, this is Mr. Phelps. Miss Welty will not be with you for a couple of days, so I am giving you some notes to keep you up with all the other classes. What I need you to do is to pull out the book you've been writing, and if you don't have your book, any type of paper to write these notes on, we'll pause the video for a second while you get that out. Alright, here comes our notes. What we're going to be working on now is to calculate the empirical and the molecular formulas. So let's title our book page Empirical and molecular formula. All right, our first note is these are going to be steps for calculating the empirical formula, and once we have the empirical formula we can calculate the molecular formula. So we're going to put all the processes together. So the first four steps are going to be the steps for calculating the empirical formula. First, step one is going to be change percents to grams. A lot of the questions will start with percents, so the first thing you have to do is change your percent to grams. You're going to find that that's going to be an easy step to do. Change percent to grams. Now once we have grams, step two is change grams to moles. We've been doing that a whole lot, so just to refresh our memory, we do, I call this a T-bar. We make our T-bar. Whatever's given is going to go here, so our given is going to be grams, and grams goes to the bottom, and 1 mole goes on top. And we all know we get the grams here as a conversion factor, so we get the grams from the periodic table. So it's just a hint to remind you to do that. Okay, change percent to grams, grams to moles. Step 3 is divide by the smallest. Change percent to grams, grams to moles. Grams goes to the bottom, mole on top. And now divide by the smallest. Once we do that, we are actually ready to step 4 to write the empirical formula. So whether you really consider step 4 a step or not, we're going to change percent to grams, grams to moles, divide by the smallest, and then we're ready to write our formula. Alright, I have to stop this video because of time restrictions on the next video, and so we're going to work on the empirical and molecular formula worksheet. So while the teacher is getting the next video set up, I need everybody to get this worksheet out right here, empirical and molecular formulas. You can work the problem straight onto this paper, or if you want to work it into your book, you can put it in your book also. That way you can use it on the test. Either way is fine, but we are going to work an example problem here, and then we're going to work 2 problems at the bottom. So get this paper out now.